Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Today we'll be doing another iPhone case unboxing and review of a brand called HUMIXX. And they sent me a bunch of these things, and not only am I doing a review because I got sent so many of them, I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway because girly, why not? I got sent a lot that are like of repeating styles. I was like, yeah. All right, let's get into all of this goodness. So all of these cases are the ultra thin case by HUMIXX. These are military grade drop tested cases, and they're made of a texture that prevents like fingerprint transferring onto it. And apparently the buttons are supposed to be very sensitive and click very well. The giveaway end date will be here, and all you have to do is like this video, subscribe, follow my Instagram, just comment below your Instagram name just so that I can have a way to DM you, and I will DM the winner. If you win, yes, of course. So let's start with the black one. Oh yeah, this is matte black.
And no fingertips? Test it.
I mean, yeah, I mean, it's not that bad with me. Here's the matte black one. Unfortunately, I do not have an iPhone 11 yet. I will be getting one soon, but here is this case. I'm sure you can see how it looks. Look at how wide this frame is. I haven't read up much about the iPhone 11, but just like, that's hilarious. We just all have to admit that this hole for the camera is just hilariously big. It's definitely very slim, very light, and it also has these little sides so that you can take off the phone case easily and slip it on easily, which is nice. And this is open, and the buttons are closed and clickable. Super, super light case if that's what you're looking for.
Oh my god, it's like a simply illogical moment.
Wait, wait, I'm gonna be like, Ben!
You look like you're having a hard time.
Ben, is that you? Oh my god, thank you.
Thank you, drink slave. That's what she calls it.
Hey, can I at least get paid the minimum wage? Or am I an unpaid intern?
Unpaid intern.
Okay.
So now I got sent 2 clear ones. And yeah, and also what's nice about them is that the packaging is printed with soy ink and made from environmentally friendly materials, which is just, you know, just a little tidbit if you're looking for like an environmentally friendly company. Here you go. So let's get into one of these and let's open it up. Ooh, look at this. Okay. Okay. Actually, I like this one a lot more than the black one. This one is thicker and more protective with the borders, but as you can see, the sides are a little opaque and they are definitely thicker and it feels better, and you can take the sticker off, of course. This is one that I would definitely use immediately if I'm getting the iPhone 11. Well, if like when I do, I'll use this one immediately. She's thick, she's clean, she's nice, and I like that the sides are more of an opaque white than the center. And yeah, the glass here feels good. It genuinely feels good. There's not too many fingerprints happening at the moment, which is good. I like this texture more, and this one's like an easier one to slip on and slip off because it's just like a little bit more flexible than the other one. Yeah, it might be like, I don't know if that's glass. I don't think that's glass actually. It's like acrylic, I don't know what. And they sent me this case, which I thought was the same one, but it's not. It's actually different. It actually has a black border, which I feel like my dad would love. I'm gonna keep this for my dad because he would love for this stuff. The exact same case in terms of texture and feel, but it has a black border around it instead. Just like a clean, simple, aesthetic iPhone case. So yeah, living for that. That's cute. I like that this company uses a lot of matte black versus glossy black. Matte black's just more stylish and cool, honestly. But yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah, what?
As your unpaid coffee boy,
you can make yourself coffee.
Can I get a chair?
Alright, so next case. Ooh, I like this one. This one is actually like a black transparent case, but it's like a black transparent sheen on the case. So the sides are the same material, it's the same texture as the clear ones and the other ones that I really like. I really like the style. It's very protective, it's very thin, and I think it just like works really well as like aesthetically, and it feels good and it feels very smooth and nice, and it's hard but like flexible. It's just like my prime texture in a phone case, like exactly what I would want. I think the black sheen sheen in the phone case is super cool. I think that like is so freaking dope. So I love that. I think it just adds to it and makes it even cooler, even though it's such a simple design. Of course, you can get any of these cases yourself and the link will be down below. They sent me 3 cases for these. One of them is for the iPhone 11 Pro and then one in the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I really like HUMIXX a lot. I think their cases are great quality and are very protective. Me personally, I prefer all of these clear ones that are very thick on the sides over the one that's really thin. But that's just personal preference. A lot of people do really like these. So that's that. Alright, to enter the giveaway, just comment below which iPhone you're going to get or that you have already. Either the iPhone 11 Pro or the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And comment below your Instagram handle so I can message you and say if you've won. If you win, it depends on what phone you have for the case because I didn't get sent an even amount of each iPhone case. So if you have the iPhone XS Pro Max, you are gonna get this sheer one and this matte black one. If you just have the iPhone 11 Pro, I only got sent 2 cases that are the iPhone 11 Pro, so you'll be getting one of these and another surprise as your second item. Be wary of that from my collection. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you want your own case, the link will be down below. Bye guys!